Okay, first thing you are going to do is go up to the Add or Create button and create a new doc. And then open that blank doc up once it gets created. So you should be staring at something that looks like my screen up here. Okay, then I need you to come up to the font size and change it to 18, please. Then move to the right a little bit to the formatting and center align your paper. Center align. Move up here to the right. Let me zoom it in so you can see it a little bit more. 18. So you're going to size 18, and then you are centering your paper. If you mouse over it, the buttons will pop up so you can read what it is before you click it. You have to go up to the, look up here a minute. See my mouse? Where it says 12, click the little plus until it goes to 18. Okay? And then go down and click the center button. Actually, for you, it's go over to the right. There's left align, center align, right align. Click on that center button. It's over to the right a little bit. So what you should be looking at should look just like mine. Madison. Center it. Okay, now I need you to hit enter 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you type your person's name that you did your research on. You've spent over a month working on this. You should know who they are. And you capitalize first and last. If they have a title, you need to put that title on there. Then I need you to hit enter 10 more times. And you're going to put your name, enter, computer class, enter, and today's date, which is December 7th, 2020. So when you get done, it should look like mine does. What you should be looking at should look just like mine. You have your person's name up here, and then a little bit further down, you have your name, computer class, December 7th, 2020. That is it. That's all you have to do for your title page. Okay? So now you can go up and you can click on the little X for your title page and close that and go back to the assignment. Once you're back to the assignment, go ahead and click Add or Create, and you're going to create a second blank doc. And once it's done, open that up. This will be your Works Cited page. This is the list of sources that you use to find information. So you're going to have 2 documents on this assignment. Title page and a Works Cited page. Okay, now go on up, because text said they have it, to add-ons. And you should have one that's called Easy Bibliography Creator. Go up to your add-ons menu, click on it, go to Easy Bibliography Creator, and then click Manage Bibliography. And it will open up a sidebar. Again, if you're not sure, look up at my screen. You click Add-ons, come down to Easy Bibliography Creator, and go to Manage Bibliography. to add-ons, Easy Bib Bibliography Creator, and Manage Bibliography. Okay, now, in another tab, you need to go ahead and open up a new tab and go open up your note cards that we did under slides. So you have your note cards open. Easiest way to get to it is just to go down to slides, because you should be able to find it quickly. Or you can go through your assignments, it's up to you. But you need those note cards open. Remember, this stuff is all going to be under classwork. None of it's posted on your wall. So now you're going to be working between these note cards, which is on that slides presentation, and your works cited page. Okay, think back to when we first started this in October, way back. And I said, you need to make sure that you copy the URL and paste it in of each source you use, because you're going to need it when we get to the end of the project. Everybody remember me saying that over and over. This is why. Okay, so I'm going to go to my first slide that has a URL, and I'm going to go in and click and drag, and I'm going to copy that URL. So go ahead and find your, it should be slide 2 for most of you. And something you can do if you're having trouble clicking and dragging is you can actually go on it and click 3 times and it'll highlight it for you. So get that address highlighted and copy it. If you did not follow directions and you don't have those written down, when we get done here, you're going to have to go find them. Okay, now go back over to the Works Cited tab. Leave that one open because you're going to need it. Go back to the Works Cited tab. Go over to that Easy Bib sidebar that we opened. And at the top, you have 3 choices: a book, a journal article, or a website. What are we using here? Website. So click on a website. Then right below there, there's a little search box that says enter website URL. So right click and paste it. And then you're going to click search. Okay, once you click search, it'll say your search results, and it should give you the article. I used Vasco da Gama because that's who we did in our practice. So what I'm going to do is go right next to there, and there's a select button. I'm going to hit select, and it will create your citation. Everybody look up here a minute. See this? Don't click it yet because we're not done yet. We're going to add all of our sources first, then we're going to click one time and put it all in. Okay, so now I have that one in. So I'm going to come back to my slides. I'm going to go find other sources that I've used. And I'm going to copy, come back, do the same thing I did before. Paste it in, search it, find it, click select, and then it puts the second one in. Once you are done and you have put all of your sources in there, all you have to do is click that Add Bibliography to Doc button, and it will automatically do it in the proper format and everything. That's why I wanted to use that, because it makes life a lot easier than having to do it by hand like I taught you originally. Once you're done with that, you have 2 documents attached to your assignment. you can turn it in and you are done with this part of the assignment. It really is that easy.